Aruna Asaf Ali, the grande dame of India's freedom struggle. Aruna Asaf Ali, often referred to as the Grand Old Lady of the independence movement, was a towering figure in India's struggle for independence. Her unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom, coupled with her courage and resilience, earned her a revered place in Indian history. Early life and background. Aruna Asaf Ali was born as Aruna Ganguly on July 16, 1909, in Kalka, Punjab, now in Haryana. She came from a Bengali Brahmo family known for its progressive values. Aruna received her early education at Sacred Heart Convent in Lahore and later pursued higher education at All Saints College in Nainital. In 1928, Aruna married Asaf Ali, a prominent Congress leader and lawyer who was significantly older than her. This interfaith marriage was a bold step at the time, reflecting her progressive and independent spirit. Involvement in the freedom movement. Aruna Asaf Ali's entry into the Indian independence movement was catalyzed by her husband's active participation and her own growing discontent with British colonial rule. She joined the Indian National Congress and quickly became involved in various protests and activities. 8. Salt Satyagraha and imprisonment. Aruna's first significant involvement came during the Salt Satyagraha in 1930, where she participated in public demonstrations against the British salt tax. Her arrest and imprisonment marked the beginning of her active and visible role in the freedom struggle. Though, role in the Quit India movement. Aruna Asaf Ali's most notable contribution to the independence movement came during the Quit India movement in 1942. As the movement called for an end to British rule, she became a leading figure, especially after the arrest of prominent leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and her husband Asaf Ali. Iconic leadership. 1. Flag hoisting at Goalia Tank Maidan. On August 9, 1942, Aruna Asaf Ali hoisted the Indian National Congress flag at the Goalia Tank Maidan, now known as August Kranti Maidan, in Bombay, Mumbai. This act of defiance against the British authorities, who had declared the Congress illegal, became a symbol of resistance and galvanized the Quit India movement. Despite the heavy police presence and the risk of arrest, her courage inspired thousands to join the struggle. Though underground activities. Following the crackdown on Congress leaders, Aruna went underground to evade arrest and continue her efforts. She organized protests, distributed clandestine literature, and maintained communication between different factions of the movement. Her ability to elude capture and sustain the momentum of the Quit India movement earned her immense respect and admiration. Post-independence contributions. After India achieved independence in 1947, Aruna Asaf Ali continued to be an influential figure, focusing on social issues and political activism. 8. Political career. She joined the Socialist Party and later the Communist Party of India, CPI, advocating for workers' rights, women's empowerment, and social justice. Her transition from the Congress to socialist and communist ideologies reflected her commitment to addressing the socio-economic challenges faced by independent India. Though founding of the National Federation of Indian Women. In 1954, Aruna co-founded the National Federation of Indian Women, NFIW, the women's wing of the Communist Party of India. Through the NFIW, she worked tirelessly to promote women's rights, gender equality, and social reforms. 10. Mayor of Delhi. In 1958, Aruna Asaf Ali became the first woman mayor of Delhi, showcasing her leadership skills and commitment to public service. During her tenure, she focused on urban development, public health, and education. Recognition and legacy. Aruna Asaf Ali's contributions to India's freedom struggle and post-independence development were widely recognized. 8. Awards and honors. She was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award, in 1992, and the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, posthumously in 1997. These honors underscored her enduring impact on the nation. Though literary contributions. Aruna Asaf Ali was also a writer and editor. She co-edited the political journal Inqilab with her husband and later contributed to various publications, sharing her insights and experiences from the freedom movement and her political career. 10. Enduring influence. Aruna Asaf Ali remains an inspirational figure, particularly for women in India. Her life exemplifies courage, resilience, and an unyielding commitment to justice and equality. Schools, roads, and institutions have been named in her honor, ensuring that her legacy continues to inspire future generations. Conclusion: Aruna Asaf Ali's life was a testament to the power of determination and the impact of fearless leadership. From her pivotal role in the Quit India movement to her post-independence activism, she made significant contributions to India's socio-political landscape. Her legacy as a freedom fighter, social reformer, and advocate for women's rights continues to resonate, reminding us of the values and sacrifices that shaped India's journey to independence and beyond.